Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we are talking about the best hydrogenated coconut oil, the PURA Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. This incredible MCT oil is 100% pure, USDA certified, and cold-pressed to deliver outstanding results for your skin and hair. This oil is non-greasy, scent-free, and easily absorbed, making it an ideal moisturizer. Whether you are looking to hydrate your skin, remove makeup, or use it as a post-shower lotion, this organic coconut oil has you covered. It's perfect for those with dry skin, especially on areas like elbows and heels, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. PURA Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil is also a fantastic hair tonic. It penetrates the scalp, providing hydration that promotes stronger, healthier, and thicker hair. Plus, because it is unscented, it won't interfere with the natural scent of your hair, and it won't leave any greasy residue. If you're a fan of essential oils, this coconut oil is your new best friend. You can easily dilute any essential oil with it, ensuring better absorption into the skin while keeping the natural benefits and aroma of the essential oil intact. On top of all this, PURA ensures that their coconut oil is free of harmful chemicals and is hexane-free. It's also hypoallergenic, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're using it as a body moisturizer, a hair treatment, or a carrier oil for your favorite essential oils, this fractionated coconut oil from PURA is an excellent addition to your skincare and beauty routine. Make sure to check it out and give it a try. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.